Here they are, Allie's puppies at 5 weeks of age. They're a busy crew. Okay, are you done going potty in there? I'll let you out now. Hi, puppies. Look at all you. You're just nuts. Oh, my. Hey, Peanuts. Who's chewing on me? Huh? Hey, you quit chewing on my iPhone. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of them in my lap. Boy, that's a big tug of war going on. Oh, my. Little Peanuts. Oh no.
The remarkably inventive composer Carl Philipp Emanuel Bach was born 300 years ago tomorrow. His cello concerto in A minor and played on an instrument from the time of C.P. Bach, Linehouse. And coming up in just a little over an hour in performance today, we'll celebrate even more fully C.P. Bach's birthday. We'll go all over the country to Berkeley and Pittsburgh and Williamsburg to hear performances of his music. It's coming up on Performance Today on Classical Minnesota Radio. And Allison Young, thanks so much for your support.
Hey, don't be so mean.
Find anonymous friends. Celebrating the joy great music brings to everyone. And support comes from Thomson Reuters, a sponsor of Puppies, Master Works from the Baltimore Museum of Art, now on view at the Minneapolis Institute of Arts. Tickets and more information at artsmia.org. There's something about this song, this is Poulenc, was kind of imitating the craziness going on in the Moulin Rouge in Paris, and yet he was also Catholic, and he became very meditative. His music is like a prayer.
a naughty puppy. Good, you showed her. He's biting everyone's tail. They're like little piranhas. You are. Good thing they're going to you right when the teeth. Whoa, ow, 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 that hurts. Ow, 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 that hurts. Anyway, good thing they're going to you when they're just going into their teething stage. Okay, weather report here. Let's see. We have finally, the polar vortex has left and we're starting to warm up. Yesterday we were into the 30s and I think they predict by Sunday we're going to be in the 40s. So all the snow is going to start melting. So for those of you that will be coming to pick up your puppies next Saturday, we'll be in that meltdown refreeze cycle of mud and muck, and then freezing and ice skating rink, and that'll repeat itself for the next month until all the snow is gone. And as you can see by the snowbanks here, we've got plenty of it here. So anyway, wear your boots when you arrive to pick up your puppies.
Absolutely stunning music. There's also Beethoven Symphony No. 4 on that program. It's Symphony Cast with the St. Paul Chamber Orchestra this Sunday at 1 on Classic NPR. And the weather outside?
Hey, you monkey.
Frightful. It's 33 degrees.
Puppies.
Right, wonderful, huh?
I know, it's sweet.
Over tonight, lows around 8. Sunny tomorrow, mid-20s, and Sunday getting into the 40s.
Get off the camera. Okay. Oh. Hey, they've got my sleeves. They're dragging me down. All right, you monkeys, I'm going to stand up. Hello, little sweetie. Aren't you sweet? There, he gave you a kiss. All right, time for me to get back to work. I will be gone in Florida for 6 days. My girls that work for me and my husband and my son got lots of help out here. Take care of the puppies while I'm gone. All right. Enjoy.